Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today over on this lovely quiet cul-de-sac, Lynwood Avenue, which is positioned just off Shakespeare Crescent. I've got this absolutely stunning 5-bedroom semi-detached Victorian property. You've got cellars which are tanked, 3 chambers, 2 reception rooms, kitchen diner, 5 double bedrooms laid across 4 impressive floors. Stunning original features are throughout the property, beautiful and bright, and an impressive studio to the rear. So we've just come through the entrance hallway into the open plan lounge and dining space. Beautiful spacious rooms, that gorgeous bay window. Loads of potential to create the layout that you want here. Add in a doorway, block up the arch, and separate the 2 rooms for those that want the separate living space. Continuing now down the hallway into the kitchen dining area, gorgeous original beams, and then access into the cellar, which, as I mentioned, is tanked. It offers fantastic storage. So all of these chambers down here, head height for those that aren't too tall, but an excellent space, maybe for a home office, the teenagers to come down and chill, or simply just storage. Then continuing back up with the fitted kitchen and access out onto the rear garden, which benefits from the sun all day. We also then have access into the studio. But first of all, the fitted kitchen dining space, beautiful and bright. That bay window located just behind me, massively utilised the storage space in here, all of these wall and base units. And then a casual dining space, just as we come out onto this fabulous sun-drenched rear garden. Double gated back to the front. You do have off-road parking, as you will have seen as I came into the property. These planters. Now this studio is an incredible space for those that need to work from home and need that space. Look at the size of the house, the size of the land that it occupies. A fabulous space just to sit and chill in the sun. Then as we come into this studio, once again, is an impressive space. So this originally would have been the wash house, the coach house for the 2 properties that are attached, and then around 20 years later, the further 2 on this side of the road were then built. You've got plumbing in here, you've got lighting in here, incredible space. And plenty of storage once again. Now as we head up to the first floor of the property, heading back in through the kitchen, obviously whilst the workshop does generate visitors, there is an outside WC to keep the client separate from the living space. Heading back in now to the main property, passing the cellar, back into the entrance hallway, that lovely new door at the front, and then up to the first floor. Now, as I mentioned, the property does benefit from 5 double bedrooms, this one being the smallest. You can appreciate the size in here, generous room, which would easily accommodate further furnishings, and a nice sized family bathroom. Shower sat above the tub, nice timeless white suite, and then continuing down the hall into bedroom number 2. Beautiful and bright once again, as are all of the rooms. And down this hallway is this impressive master bedroom, complete with a walk-in wardrobe, as well as an ensuite bathroom. Nice generous double shower. It's not small at all. And then on through to the walk-in closet. But an incredible size. Beautiful and bright with these 2 windows, and all the lights of flow straight in. And then lastly, heading up to the 4th and final floor with your 2 further double bedrooms. The smallest of the 2 here. This one then overlooks the rear garden, just to gauge an idea of the size of that workshop. And then the second is complete with a WC, but once again a generously sized room. All of this storage behind me here. And a nice sized WC. Just adds a touch of convenience to this lovely family home. Now, location wise, as I mentioned, we are over on Lynwood Avenue, which is located just off Shakespeare Crescent, which is perfectly falls within catchment for excellent local schools and easy access into Eccles Centre, the bus, the train and the tram routes taking you further